etc., etc. So totally around 15 topics are there. So I'll be, I mean, as part of some topics, again subtopics will be there, like checkpoints and all output values. Again, there will be different checkpoints available. So can you tell me how much time you can spend on weekends on daily basis, so that we can.
Saturday I can spend as much as you can.
Okay.
And Friday only 1-2 hours is enough.
Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday I can spend
Much time.
like I can any I don't have any problem for Saturday, Sunday.
Okay. Because if I take more time, maybe so in how many days you want me to complete all these topics?
As you
Depends on you.
wish. As you wish, I have
No.
time.
Okay. If
I
you
do
want,
have
even I
time.
can finish within 2 days itself. So that's not a problem. So
Not
you
2 days.
have to, yeah, you have to understand that, right? So that is the
Yeah.
issue. So let me know whenever you feel it's more, then I'll stop there. Otherwise.
Sure.
Okay. So I'll start with, already I have given the introduction, and now in today's session I'll start with recording modes. Maybe after some sessions, maybe after for 45 minutes, we'll just take a small break, and we'll join once again, so that it will refresh our
Sure.
mind as well. Okay. The topic is related to recording mode. What is recording mode, and how many types of recording modes available in QTP, and when to use them in real time. So these topics we will discuss now. So there are three types of recording modes available in QTP. They are normal recording mode, analog recording mode, and low level recording mode. So we will start with normal recording mode first. Normal recording mode records the objects in your application and the operations performed on them. This
Sure.
mode is the default and takes full advantage of quick test object model. So what does exactly this means? How QTP is identifying the objects in this mode. So in the previous session I have given a small example about objects. Did you remember what is an object and what are the different object properties?
Yes. Object can be anything.
Yes, object can be anything, and
Yeah.
it should contain properties and values. So
Yeah.
based on that properties and values, QTP will be recognizing the objects in the application. Suppose today the text box is available. Let me open some application. So this is the Gmail page, and if you
Yep.
see here, at present the objects are placed in the middle. Suppose in tomorrow there might be some change. That time this particular object might have moved to some other location. So that time what will happen? QTP will not recognize the objects in other modes like analog recording mode and low level recording mode. But in normal recording mode, wherever the object is placed, it doesn't matter. Based on that properties, it will be identified. So for example, if you come to real time, today television is in your living room. Maybe tomorrow you will keep it in bedroom, but you can easily identify as it is a television, because we are identifying based on the properties of that particular television. So here also uh, it works in the same manner. So that is about normal recording mode. Let me show you a small example on this normal recording mode, then you can understand better. Okay, so I don't know why it is not manage accounts. remove. Okay, now here this is the login page. I'm going to record the script in normal recording mode. To start the normal recording mode, we have, sorry, I didn't
Sorry.
get you.
How you gonna transfer software to me?
I'm sending you through a link.
Okay.
You have to download from that dropbox.com, and I have given the instructions as well in the same folder. You have to
Okay.
download that instructions, accordingly you can install. While installation, if you face any problem, I can help you.
Sure.
Okay, yeah. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to show you a small script in normal recording mode. To start the normal recording mode, first you have to click on, or there are different options are there. One is by clicking on this record button, or by going to automation menu you can start the recording, or you can use F3 functional key. Any of these three ways will be used to start the normal recording mode. So what I'm doing here, I'm just clicking on this record button and I'm clicking on OK. Now if you observe in the bottom, it is showing recording option. So that means recording is started. Now you can perform the operations. So I'm entering user ID and I'm entering password and I'm clicking on sign button. So totally 3 operations I have performed. All those 3 operations will be recorded here now. So here you can see. So for each and every operation, one line of code is generated. What happened to this? Give me 1 second, please.
Sure.
Kindly wait 1 second. I'll rejoin the session once again.
Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here. Don't know what's happening every time. Sai,
Yes.
are you there?
Yes, I'm still
No,
Yes, sir.
here.
no, no, Sai.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.